Have you ever wondered how cheese is made? Or whether Thai food is actually that spicy? Curious about the best way to enjoy an Argentine asado? Or maybe whether a cooked whole fish has too many bones?
It is delicious.
Seriously?
These are the sorts of questions that have taken our growing family to the corners of the earth to get some answers. If you found this channel, we bet that you like to eat, travel, and maybe cook a little, which means you'll get along great with our family. We've spent over 500 days in 30 countries on every inhabited continent seeking, discovering, and learning about local delicacies, from the most popular to the wildly obscure. We're not fancy people, we're not gastronomic experts, and we're certainly not professional chefs. We're a foodie family obsessed with how what we eat is sourced, how it's cooked, how it tastes, and how we can get something beautiful and delicious on the table to share together. Almost everyone in the world eats 3 times a day. You could say that makes eating one of the most relatable human experiences. And yet we all enjoy meals in drastically different ways. In Morocco, no meal is complete without bread baked underground in shared community ovens. But in France, there are literal laws that dictate when, where, and how a baguette can be baked and sold.
I like that a lot.
Milk is a cherished ingredient in so many countries, but perhaps none more so than in Rwanda, where milk bars sell dairy and pastries, not alcohol. In places like Costa Rica, families can grow and farm most of what they consume, from eggs and produce to honey. In Italy, some families focus on perfecting a single ingredient and ship it across the world. There are countries like Spain, which boast special baked goods you can only buy from nuns in a convent. And then there is Argentina, where everyone and their uncle is taught from birth how to prepare award-worthy meat for an impromptu BBQ with friends.
Alright, if I don't think too much about it, I'm okay with it.
And don't get us started on curry, a catch-all term that may trace its origins to India, but has proliferated into so many cultures in Asia and beyond. Every time we share a quirk of cuisine or a culinary deep dive, our subscribers chime in and give us 10 more ideas to return and try. So join our growing community of foodies to give us all your hot takes on food from near and far. Thanks for subscribing and welcome to the family. We're excited to have you alongside us, tracing flavor.
It's honestly phenomenal.
Seriously?